Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. XRP is making serious waves once again, and we have some shocking data to break down. Over the weekend, XRP did not just bounce back, it roared. The price soared above $3, and the multiplier on the inflows? An eye-popping 472 times. But here is the kicker, it did not take massive capital to make it happen. Just a small amount of inflow sparked a massive move. So what happens when institutional giants start pouring in? We are diving into the numbers, the momentum, and what this all means for XRP's future. Buckle up, this ride is just getting started. Let us start with a glimpse into the future. Ripple's annual Swell Conference is coming to New York in 2025, and it is attracting some serious firepower. We are talking about the NASDAQ chair and CEO, BlackRock, Fidelity, BNY Mellon, Citi, CME Group, DBS Bank, and more, all attending a conference that centers around XRP. While the skeptics continue to call it a dead coin, the world's most powerful financial institutions are leaning in. This is not retail hype, it is a calculated move by the financial elite. And when these players show up, it is usually not for small talk. It is because something big is brewing. One of XRP's biggest long-term supporters, SBI Japan, is also turning up the heat. They are preparing to launch a new digital ETF that includes gold and Bitcoin. But that is not all. XRP is also on the radar. SBI has made it crystal clear. Their 9% stake in Ripple is a long-term bet, and they are looking forward to the public valuation that an IPO could bring. If Ripple does go public, it could be the largest IPO in history, potentially eclipsing Saudi Aramco's $25.6 billion record. And that is without even considering the full XRP escrow holdings. Even discounted, the asset value still towers above historic IPO benchmarks. The XRP ecosystem is not just growing, it is positioning itself for a historic breakout. Critics love to say the XRP community is just a bunch of paid shills, but here is the truth, most influencers and YouTubers are not paid by Ripple at all. The passion in this community is real and fueled by conviction. SBI's independent bullish stance is a powerful confirmation. They have increased their position multiple times and are now exploring an XRP ETF. This all contributes to the inflows, and what we are about to show you will completely change how you view XRP's price movement. Let us talk about the multiplier. Over the weekend, XRP experienced around $42.87 million in inflows, but the market cap grew by more than $20.24 billion. Do the math, that is a multiplier of 472 times. Now let us be clear, this is not about XRP going up 472 times in price. It is the ratio between capital flowing in and the resulting market cap increase. That is a game-changing concept. Traditional finance focuses on market cap comparisons, but XRP operates differently. $10 million into XRP can produce billions in market cap growth. Why? Because of the network effect and liquidity dynamics in crypto, something stock market logic fails to capture. Now here is the real shocker. XRP hit an all-time high of $3.66 during a week when it experienced $267 million in outflows. That is right, more money was leaving XRP than entering, yet the price still surged. How is that possible? Simple velocity and aggression of inflows. The capital coming in is moving faster and harder than the outflows. It is a supply and demand shock in real time. Buyers are hitting the market aggressively even as some holders take profits. That is the formula for explosive price action. Futures trading adds another twist. Many traders are using XRP as collateral, not tether. And when they cash out, they are often redeeming profits in kind directly into XRP. That kind of demand is not always visible in traditional spot market metrics. As XRP becomes more valuable, its availability on exchanges shrinks. Fewer tokens are circulating, and that is creating the conditions for a supply shock. With each price pullback, passive buy orders from XRP loyalists are getting filled. People are stacking 500, 20,000, even 100,000 XRP at a time. And then, when the price ticks up again, aggressive market buys drive the price even higher. So where do we stand? XRP is showing strength, resilience, and momentum that few assets can match. With institutions gathering, ETFs forming, IPO whispers swirling, and data that shows multipliers most people do not understand, we are witnessing a shift that could redefine crypto valuation as we know it. It is going to be a massive week. If you are still sleeping on XRP, it might be time to wake up. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for listening. Stay focused, stay bullish, and as always, God bless.